Hello, I'm Michelle Mailer and welcome to Aromatherapy Wizardry. Today we're going to talk about rosewater and its uses and how it's made and how to identify authentic rosewater. I really love rosewater for a facial moisturizer and toner, and also when it's really hot in the summer, it's a good cool down spray on your face and other parts of your body. And it's also safe for dogs and cats, which is really nice. And the reason that it is safe for dogs and cats is it actually doesn't have any essential oil in it. It's a product of distillation. When you make rose essential oil, the rose petals are steam distilled, and the water that's collected when the essential oil comes to the surface, they take the essential oil off. The water that's left over is the rose water. So if you find a bottle of rose water at the store and it has more than one ingredient, rose water or rose hydrosol or rose distillate, those are the names of the one ingredient, rose water, then it probably isn't rose water if it has more than one ingredient. So if it says rose essential oil and water, that would not be authentic rose water. The rose water distillate, this is one of the kinds that you can get at the store. And this is a really nice brand for using for people and pets. And there's also some available through Mountain Rose Herbs and Liberty Naturals online that are pretty good ones. This is probably my favorite. It has a really nice smell to it, and it's very uniform throughout all the batches, which is nice if you want the smell to be the same every time. What I use it for is spraying on the face, and I make a toner with it with 8 drops of essential oil and rose water, and that would be for using on people, not pets. And you would just spray it around your face like this, and it actually doesn't mess up your makeup either. It's very nice and soothing and hydrating and doesn't make you feel sticky at all. You can also use it on a cotton pad to use as a toner on your face or clean your face if you feel sweaty in the summer. Another thing you can do with just the plain rose water, and this is a spray bottle of plain rose water. You can spray it in your eyes if you're having eye problems, if there's something stuck in your eye, or you've got a scratch or an irritation in your eye, or maybe your eyes are just really dry. Sometimes when I'm driving at night, I'll get very dry eyes from staring at the road too long, and rose water is a great thing to soothe for that. And this plain rose water, I will demonstrate, you can actually spray right into your eyes, and it actually feels just like your own natural tears. So feels great, soothes your eyes. You can also do that with pets. I would not recommend spraying it on a pet because they're kind of reactive to the spraying sensation. So what I do with pets, with dogs and cats, is if you have an irritation in the eye where they've gotten maybe it scratched on something when they're outside or scratch it themselves, while trying to mess around with their eye with their claw or something, you can put it on a cotton pad and then just kind of drip it around the eye area. And they most of the time will not be irritated by that. There's probably some animals that would be a little bit sensitive to that, but not in a way that would hurt them, just like the action might throw them off a little bit. But it's very soothing, and it can help with mysterious eye problems. Many years ago, my oldest son had pink eye when he was in high school, and this is how I discovered the benefits of rosewater. I had the Aromatherapy encyclopedia by Valerie Warwood, and it's the complete book of essential oils. In there, she had a recipe for pink eye, which called for rose water. So I put rose water on a cotton pad, taped it over my son's eye. This is on a weekend when the doctor's offices weren't open. And so this was kind of like, we'll see if it works. And if not, at least we tried until we can get to the doctor on Monday. And the pain went away within a couple hours and the discharge from the eye. And by that night, he was feeling about 90% better. And it actually took care of the pink eye within about 24 to 36 hours. We kept putting on the cotton pad for about 48 hours total, but it actually helped the pink eye without having to take any medications, which sometimes take longer than that to start working. So that was really great. And I've used it for a lot of mystery problems since then with people and pets, and it works really wonderfully. And the nice thing about it is it's not going to hurt you. If it doesn't work, you'll just smell really nice. So there's a little bit about rosewater, and remember that there's just one ingredient in it, and it's rose hydrosol is a name, rose distillate, or rose water. Those are the three names that mean the same thing, which is the product of distillation, the water that's left over after the steam distillation. Thank you for joining me on Aromatherapy Wizardry, and please visit my website at circleofhealingessentialoils.com. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. And I am just releasing a rosewater spray this weekend. It will be for sale in Mount Vernon at the Mystical Wares shop. And their website is mysticalwares.com. Thank you.